Why does your paycheck feel like it's getting smaller, even though you're technically earning more? It's not your imagination. It's not your landlord plotting against you. Okay, maybe a little. But the real villain here? Inflation. Yep, that sneaky thief in the background, stealing your money, while you're just trying to buy eggs without taking out a loan. Let me paint a picture. You walk into the store with confidence, maybe even a little swagger. You grab your regular groceries, a bag of rice, some eggs, your favorite cereal. You get to the checkout, and suddenly, boom! That'll be $22.50. You blink. Ma'am, this used to be $14 last month. Yeah, prices went up. Everything is going up, except your salary. Gas, up. Rent, up. Toothpaste?
Why is toothpaste expensive now?
You're not bad at budgeting. You're just fighting a financial boss battle with no armor. So what's inflation actually doing? Simple. Inflation is when prices rise over time, which means your money buys less. If money were a superhero, inflation is its kryptonite. It slowly eats away at your purchasing power like a rat in a cheese shop. $1 today is worth less than it was yesterday, and way less than it was 10 years ago. So even if you're getting a raise, if inflation is higher than your raise, you're actually getting poorer. Imagine running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up, but your legs don't. My Uncle Joe, 20 years on the same job, never missed a day, solid worker. Every time he got a raise, he'd smile, treat himself to some suya, maybe upgrade his TV. But guess what? His rent doubled, groceries tripled, his savings stagnant. He wasn't slacking. Inflation was just running faster than him and winning. One day he looked at his account and said, "How am I earning more, but I have less?" It hit him like a bad date. You can't win if you don't know the rules. So what do you do? Here are 4 fast ways to fight back. 1. Automate your savings before your wallet has time to flirt with impulse buys. 2. Invest your money, because cash sitting in your account is just melting slowly. 3. Buy in bulk. It sounds boring, but it's secretly gangster. 4. Unsubscribe from stuff you don't use. If Netflix hasn't seen you since March, it's not a relationship, it's a robbery. Did you know that saving money alone might actually be making you poorer? I know, sounds insane. But here's the stat. If you saved $1,000 in 2010 and never touched it, it's worth around $700 today. You didn't spend it, you didn't lose it. Inflation just ate it alive. So yeah, saving is good. But saving without investing? That's like wearing armor made of paper in a war zone. And here's the shift that changed everything for me. I used to think that being good with money just meant spending less. But that's survival mode. Being smart with money, that's strategy. It means making money work for you, even while you sleep. Because let's be honest, we're not trying to just survive inflation. We're trying to outsmart it. The game is rigged. But if you know the cheat codes, you don't just play, you win. So now you know, inflation's been boxing your bank account in the face. Want to learn how to actually fight back? Then it's time to calculate your net worth, your real financial superpower. Most people have no idea what theirs is, and it's costing them years of freedom. Click the next video, net worth, calculation, and significance. I'll show you how to figure it out, grow it, and flex it without posting fake quotes on Instagram. And hey, if you laughed, learned, or just realized your wallet's been losing weight without permission, hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. Let's make your money work, not vanish.